And here you can see we've got 3 different ways we can look at EAC. We can see that the worst case scenario is typically that one where you've got both SPI and CPI considered. You also have a fairly bad one where you've got CPI alone considered, and the most, I should say, favorable or optimistic is, oh well, things aren't going to continue that way, is the 5.25. Now on the PMP exam, are they going to ask you each of these formulas? No. Could they ask you any? Yes, they could ask you any one, but you don't know that, and that's why you do need to know this stuff. It doesn't cost you that much to watch a video, maybe a few minutes of your time, but in that way you'll be kind of assured that you'll do well on the exam if that should come out. Now again, we've got the basic formula, which is that one over here. Right, that's the basic formula, and everything else is pretty much a derivative of it. And then you've got this relationship, which is a no-brainer. Now the thing is, if CPI was 1, then EAC and BAC would be the same. One of the things we haven't really talked about is what to do with these metrics. So let me show you. If SPI, right, is less than 1, that's bad performance. If CPI is less than 1, bad performance. SPI less than 1 means you are behind schedule. CPI less than 1 means you're over budget. So this is behind schedule. This here means you are over budget. Well, we should put it that way. Less than 0, I beg your pardon. If CV is less than 0, that means you are over budget. If CV is greater than 0, that means you are under budget. If SV, same thing with SV, if SV is less than 0, that means you are behind schedule. That means you're going to have to spend some money to catch up. If SV is greater than 0, that means you are ahead of schedule. Or it could mean other things, you know, it could mean that you're just working too slowly. There are lots of things to be factored into these discussions, but this should get you rolling as far as understanding what to do on the test. Same thing here. Let me just do your SPI is greater than 1, means you're ahead. And if CPI is greater than 1, it means you are ahead. Right? Or it means you are under, I should say. Under budget. Okay? So that's really what you need to know as far as the key metrics. We're yet to talk about TCPI, so hold on for that. We will talk about the 2 complete performance index and what exactly it does for you on the project when we come back.